Okay, so this is a really basic tutorial of how you can add your picture and a logo onto a Canva document that you can then save and you can post and you can use to market your MenoFit, Lift Lean, Fitness Pilates, whatever it is that you want to promote. So I'm going to share my screen. If it's MenoFit that you are wanting to use our MenoFit logo, if you're a MenoFit trained teacher, go to the Dropbox. The link is on the dashboard and you can pick up and download the MenoFit logo. Then head across to Canva. Now we use all the time the pro version. So this is the paid for version. So I think it's £10 a month, but we use it all day, every day, creating content for social media. So you can do a lot with the free version, but you definitely get some better options when you do the pro version. So I'll go over here and click create a design, click, and that gives me an option to create a template. So depending on where you're going to post, so if you're posting on an Instagram story or a Facebook post or a presentation or wherever, or you can go down here and go to a custom size. It doesn't matter. I'll go to a Facebook post. There we go. So this is your blank canvas. Go across here and you have got a little cloud with an arrow, and this is uploads. So you'll need to upload into this area a picture of you if you want to use your headshot, and also the MenoFit logo. So click upload files and it will browse out to your computer. So wherever your documents, your JPEGs are, wherever you keep them, whether you've got them in recents, and you can then click on that picture. So there's one here that I've made earlier, and it will upload that JPEG, there it is, to your area. You can then choose any of the uploaded files. So I'm going to actually upload MenoFit again so you can see. So if I go to download, there's the MenoFit PNG, and upload it. There it is. Okay, so then it's ready for me to drag it across, and I can place it anywhere on this Canva, this document. So I need to put a picture of me here. So I can again click upload file, and I can upload a picture from my computer of me. Well, we do this all the time, so there's loads over here of me. So there's one of me that I made earlier. And there we go. I mean, I would spend a bit more time on it than this, but it gives you an idea. Now, maybe put some text here. So if you go across to the text icon, you can choose the size, whether you want the heading, whether you want a subhead or smaller text, or you can use these very funky graphics over here that you can again drag across. So let's go something simple. Let's go just drag across here. You can take away that text and you can add your own. So MenoFit starting 1st of January. And again, you can spend a lot more time on this than I'm just doing to show you. So you can make it bigger by highlighting it and going across here. You can make it bigger. You can change the font. You can make it smaller. You can line it all up. Oh, there you have it. If you've had a photo taken and it's got a background and you want to take that background away, I think this is on the pro version. I need to check, but you can click edit the image and you get background remover, and you can click on that and it actually will remove. So if you've got different colors in the background, you can erase it all so it's white. So that's a really handy trick. And then you can click over here. You've got this share button. So you can click share and you can click download. Now I tend to download them as a JPEG. So you'll need to highlight and tick JPEG. You can make it bigger. You can improve the quality and then download. And then you have that document is here. It's in your download file, show in the Finder. Let's have a look at it. There it is. And you can post that on social media. So there you go. And there it is. Hope that helps.